Hello and welcome to another 3 things in 3 minutes video. This is how to complete your personal income tax return in Canada. 3 steps. So the first thing is you need to have all your information ready. All your slips. If you don't know what you need, call me. The best way is, as it says on the screen here, is to access your online CRA account. If you make an online account with the CRA, you can download all the information directly that they have, and it'll save you a ton of time importing it. So how do you find that? So you go to Google and you Google, as I said on the sheet before, go to www.canada.ca, search certified software net file, and you will find this. So this is the page for the government's net file program. And then you scroll down, and if you scroll down on the right, you will find a spot that says My Account right here. My Account. And if you click on that, it will send you to register or open your CRA account. So once you've done that, then you don't need to manually input your information. So a big help. So the second part is that you need to find software. Now on the same page, over here on the left, it says free products and services, right? Right here, free products. If you click on that, you'll get a drop-down menu and you can download software for free to do your income tax return. I recommend TurboTax, but just pick one that has the autofill, refile, and express NOA, and then you'll be able to automatically download your information. So what you want to do is download this. What will happen is you'll receive a receipt, you'll receive a license, and then you'll download the software to your machine. When you open it, it will ask you to input the license number, and then you'll register it and you're good to go. You can do 2 returns for free if your income is over $25,000, and you can do 2 returns for free under $25,000, so that's 4 returns. So that's the first 2 steps. Third step is prepare and file. So once you have your software, it'll look something like this. Say, welcome to TurboTax. The CRA's net file opens on Monday, February 18, so this message will change. You're going to open your return, and down here mine is already open, so I can continue. And on the top you can see all these areas. It will ask you questions one by one. You're just going to go step by step, answer the questions. It'll ask you to save your return on your laptop, and it'll tell you to file it online, and you can file it directly online through the software for free. The other option is you can print it out and hand deliver it to the CRA. So you have that option as well. And that's it. 3 in 3 minutes. Bye for now.